Welcome to Holiday Vlog 3. And today is December 24, so medyo maingay na siya and all. Pero today is gonna be a busy day since we need to prep for Christmas Day. And I'm one of the cooks, so it's gonna be a busy day for me. But first, we need to do my outfit. It's just a top actually that I make way back, like first week ng December. Pero we're gonna finish it today para looking pretty tayo sa pagsalubong sa Christmas Day. Let's start since I have this bag. Hindi to nakaslagay yon. May mga pin pa nga yun eh. This is the outfit. Honestly, butones na lang ang kulang nito. Like, isang butones, then etong dalawang to kailangan tahiin. Then that's it. So, let's go. Obe, top lang siya. And naka-turtleneck yung top niya. Ganyan. Then, may butones dyan. Pakataksis. Yan yung pinaka-whole top niya. So, etong outfit na to ay di Hansu lang. Here's my red yarn. And here's my botones. And here's the... Hello, so tapos na ako sa outfit ko for the Christmas. Wait, let me show you the whole look of it. Here's it. Yan yun. Then naanuhan ko na rin dito sa part na to. And ito yung likod. So now, I don't know what time is it na to. Magre-ready na ako kasi gagawa kami ng fruit salad and kailangan pa lutuin yung pasta. So, let's go. Taste it. More tastes.
So, ang verdict mo?
10 out of 10. Merry Christmas! It's December 25 na. So, the outfit, by the way, it's giving, but pero feeling ko hindi pantay yung pagkakaano kasi may ano siya dito. Pero yun. Like, so, Merry Christmas again! And by the way, medyo inaantok na ako, so see you tomorrow for Sagala and Simba since may Simba kami church namin ng December 25. So see you out there. Kabalik lang namin galing church and right now we're going to eat at the SM even though we have a lot of food at home. And see you later pag dumating na yung mga pagkain namin kasi bumili kami sa 2 different type ng bilihan dito sa food court. And wala masyadong tao, which is nice. So, see you later!
Nila.
Parang gusto ko kumain na naman eh.
For the wait for 20 minutes pa kami dalawa. Na!
Nag-lock.
Nagawa. Ito kasi.
Sa'yo, hindi na napala din na.
Outfit check sa mall. So, my mom is currently paying the gifts she want to give to her alagas. So, while waiting sa haba ng pila sa supermarket. Uwian na. Diyos, ang sakit na ng paa ko at ang dami ng tao. Okay. Chain of shoes. Chain ng kabas.
8 hours lang naman kayo, no?
Ride to home secure.
Nakametro po tayo.
Slayable.
Ay,
Hello, it's December 26 na ngayon and do a little haul with me of what I got for Christmas. Unahin na natin yung galing sa boss ng tatay ko. And first is to, yung sinabi kong bag. Second, itong socks na to. And then, this towel. And then, this belt. Actually, sa tatay ko to, napanalunan niya dun sa isa sa mga palaro ng boss niya. Pero, since may belt na siya, binigay niya na sa akin. Since wala akong ganitong belt, and kailangan ko rin siya. Next is, a 50 pesos bail. Kasama to ng bag. Napanalunan ko din siya sa one of the games na pinaano ng boss niya. So, yeah. This one, it's actually like a cycling short which I can use pag mag-running ako. It's actually from my mom. Okay. And then, dalawang undergarments. And then, one of the pamasko ng nanay ko. Other pamasko niya kasi sa akin is, sabi niya bibili niya ako ng cake sa New Year pa yun. And, ipapagawa yung ngipin ko. So, next, dito naman tayo sa bag na to. Actually, itong bag na to, yun yung mga physical non-food na natanggap ko galing sa package na pinadala ng mom ko. Pero last week lang dumating. Ayan na. First off, this flower, which I'm planning to give to my friend na uuwi. Kasi hindi ko naman to gagamitin. Kaya balot na balot pa. I'm planning to add some decor din to. And then 3 foot socks, which I can use pag mag-workout ako. Since I'm planning to buy a yoga mat. A socks na tinry na. I also got keychain from my mom's church sa ibang bansa since doon siya nag-work. Okay. Sa ibang bansa siya nag-work and nag-church din siya doon. Another cycling short na pwede kong gamitan pag mag-running ako. Next is itong t-shirt na medyo stretchy. And another socks. And then, doon naman tayo sa natanggap ko sa papa. Shorts. 2 shorts. And that's it. Actually, marami pa ako natanggap, pero parang natanggap ko na siya way back nung parang August. Like, birthday era ko pa. So, hindi ko na ipapakita yun. So, that's it for today's vlog. And see you on the next holiday season vlog. Kasi hanggang first week pa to ng January. Bye-bye!